Hey guys, it's James from Gigapress.net. Are you getting the "sorry, you are not allowed to access this page" error in WordPress? If you've ever seen that message, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix this error in WordPress. But what does this error actually mean? The "sorry, you are not allowed to access this page" error message usually shows up when WordPress detects that your account doesn't have the right permission to access a certain page or feature. WordPress uses user roles like administrator, editor, author, and subscriber, each with different access levels. If you try to access something your role isn't allowed to see, you'll encounter this error. But it's not always that simple. Sometimes a plugin or theme changes permissions without you knowing, a security plugin gets overly strict, an htaccess file gets corrupted, or even the database has an issue. In short, something behind the scenes is blocking you. And that can completely disrupt your site management. That's why fixing it quickly and preventing it from happening again is so important. So here are the 13 proven solutions to help you effectively troubleshoot and fix WordPress access errors. Solution number 1. Check user roles and permissions. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and navigate to Users, then click All Users. Make sure the affected account has the correct role. If it's supposed to be an administrator, confirm that's what it's set to. If the user's permissions are correct, but the error persists, consider using a user management plugin to gain more granular control over roles and capabilities. Plugins like User Role Editor allow you to adjust permissions and troubleshoot issues related to user access. Solution number 2. Deactivate plugins. Plugins can sometimes conflict with WordPress functionality and cause permission issues. To test if a plugin is causing the error, go to Plugins in your WordPress dashboard, then select Installed Plugins. Check the box on top to select all plugins, then click on Bulk Actions and select Deactivate to deactivate all plugins. So if the error disappears, reactivate plugins one by one to identify the one causing the problem. Once found, you can either update the plugin, check for compatibility issues, or find an alternative solution. If deactivating plugins resolves the error, consider reaching out to the plugin developer for further assistance. Solution number 3. Switch to a default theme. To check if your theme is the culprit, switch to a default WordPress theme. In your dashboard, go to Appearance and select Themes. Then activate the 2025 as your default theme. If the error is resolved, the issue likely lies within your original theme. Contact the developer or choose another compatible theme. Solution number 4. Reset the htaccess file. A corrupted or misconfigured htaccess file can restrict access to certain pages. To reset the htaccess file, navigate to Settings, then go to Permalinks and click Save Changes. This action regenerates the htaccess file with default settings and can resolve access issues. Solution number 5. Repair the WordPress database. To repair your WordPress database, log into your hosting control panel. Go to File Manager, then select the WordPress root directory, usually public_HTML. Find the file named wp-config.php, right-click, and select Code Editor. Once open, add the following line: define wp-allow repair true. Then visit yourdomain.com/wp-admin/maint/repair.php and choose Repair Database. After repairing, remove the line from the wp-config.php file to ensure security. If the error is resolved, consider running regular database maintenance to prevent future issues. If you encounter persistent problems, consult with your hosting provider. Solution number 6. Review security plugin settings. Security plugins are designed to protect your site, but sometimes they can be overly restrictive and block legitimate access. Start by checking the configuration of any security plugins you have installed, like WordFence or Sucuri or similar tools. Check for any rules or settings related to user permissions, login restrictions, or admin access control. If you find any suspicious or overly strict settings, adjust them to allow proper access. Solution number 7. Check file and folder permissions. To make sure that your WordPress files and folders have the correct permissions, you can check this through FTP or your hosting's file manager. After logging into your FTP client, right-click on the file, then select Info. Go to Permissions, and set it to 644 for files. For folder permissions, right-click on a folder, select Info, and then click on Permissions. Make sure to set this to 755. Checking and correcting file and folder permissions is crucial for resolving access issues. Incorrect permissions can prevent WordPress from functioning correctly, so it's essential to ensure that files and folders have the appropriate settings to allow access. Solution number 8. Reinstall WordPress core files. To reinstall WordPress core files, navigate to Dashboard, then select Updates and click Reinstall version 6.8.2. So this process replaces core files without affecting your content, themes, or plugins. By doing this, it can resolve issues caused by corruption or missing files. And after reinstallation, check if the error persists. If it does, further troubleshooting may be needed to identify other potential causes. Solution number 9. Update plugins, themes, and WordPress. Outdated versions cause compatibility issues and errors. So, to keep everything updated to the latest version, check for updates in your WordPress dashboard, then select Updates and apply them as necessary. Usually there is a red circle that indicates that it needs to be updated. Make sure to regularly update your site to remain functional and secure, reducing the likelihood of errors and conflicts. Check for custom code conflicts. If you recently added custom code to a theme or plugin, that may be the cause of the permission issues. Try to review any recent changes to custom code and temporarily remove or comment out the code to determine if it is causing the error. If the error is resolved by removing custom code, you may need to adjust or refactor the code to ensure compatibility with WordPress. Solution number 11. Check your error log to pinpoint the cause. Error logs can point directly to the problem, and you can access them in your hosting control panel or by contacting your hosting provider. In your hosting control panel, find the Logs and Stats section and click on Access/Error Logs. These error logs often contain details about file permissions, script errors, and other problems affecting site access. Here you can view and download log files. Then identify the most recent errors, which are usually logged last. If you need help interpreting the logs, consider reaching out to your hosting provider for assistance. Solution number 12. Make sure you're logged in as an administrator. Without admin privileges, you can't access certain pages or fix permission issues. So, verifying your user role and ensuring you have administrator access is the first step in addressing and fixing WordPress access errors efficiently. Start by verifying your user role in your WordPress dashboard under the User section, then select All Users. If you're not logged in as an administrator, request the correct access level from someone who has the necessary permissions. Finally, solution number 13. Contact your hosting provider. If you tried all other solutions and the error persists, there may be a server-level issue affecting access. Contact your hosting provider for assistance. They can review server logs and configurations to identify any underlying problems and provide support for resolving the issue. Good thing, Gigapress Web Hosting provides excellent customer support. If you're hosting with Gigapress, you're not just getting help, you're getting a reliable partner committed to keeping your WordPress site running smoothly. Thanks to our quick resolution, whether you use live chat, phone, or support tickets, we have some of the fastest resolution times in the industry. So, ready to experience hassle-free hosting? Visit gigapress.net/web-hosting. And that's it! By following these 13 solutions, you can fix the "sorry you are not allowed to access this page" error and keep your WordPress site running smoothly. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.